Hi friends, welcome to MX Decor. I hope you all are doing well. Discover the latest trends in modern kitchen design that will transform your cooking heaven into a stylish and functional space. From sleek minimalism to innovative storage solutions, we explore ideas that cater to both aesthetic and efficiency. Watch to get inspired and take your kitchen to the next level. Certainly, here are some detailed insights into the latest trends in modern kitchen designs. Number 1. Modern kitchens are embracing open shelving for a clean and airy feel. Minimalistic design principles with sleek lines and uncluttered surfaces are at the forefront. Number 2. While neutral tones remain popular, bold and vibrant colors are making a comeback. Statement kitchen islands or ancient cabinets in rich hues add personality to the space. Number 3. Integration of smart technology is a growing trend. From smart refrigerators to touchless faucets, modern kitchens are becoming more tech-savvy, enhancing both convenience and efficiency. Number 4. Mixing materials like wood, metal, and stone creates visual interest. Combining textures and finishes add depth to the kitchen, contributing to a contemporary and elastic look. Number 5. Streamlined cabinets without visual handles create a seamless and sleek appearance. This design choice emphasizes the simplicity and modernity of the kitchen. Number 6. Concealing appliances behind cabinetry creates a cohesive and uncluttered look. Integrated appliances maintain a constant design aesthetic throughout the kitchen. Number 7. The kitchen island continues to be a focal point. Large island serves multiple purposes, acting as a prep area, dining space, and often incorporating storage solutions. Number 8. Bringing nature indoors is a trend gaining momentum. Incorporating elements like indoor plants or natural materials fosters a connection with the outdoor, creating a refreshing and inviting atmosphere. Number 9. Dark colored cabinets and countertop, often paired with gold or brass accents, are becoming more prevalent, adding a touch of drama and sophistication. Number 10, and the last one, is modern kitchens are evolving into multifunctional spaces. Designs that seamlessly transitions from cooking to dining to a home office reflects the changing dynamics of contemporary living. In conclusion, the latest trends in modern kitchen design emphasizes a harmonious blend of functionality, aesthetic, and technology. The shift towards open shelving, mixed materials, and bold colors signals a departure from traditional kitchen norms. The integration of smart appliances and a focus on multifunctional spaces underscore the adaptivity of modern kitchens to the demands of today's lifestyle. Whether it's a sleek, handleless design or a warm and inviting atmosphere with bucolic elements, the modern kitchen is a space that not only caters to practical needs but also serves as stylish hub for socializing and everything today. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.